Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to convert different websites into an icon in our phone and on our laptop set. Have you been trying how to convert different websites into an icon? This video is for you. In this video, we are going to understand how to convert different websites into an icon so that whenever you want to go to such websites, you don't go to your browser to type in that website URL. What do? You just click into that icon. The icon will direct you directly to that particular website. Let's jump into learning how to convert this particular website or any kind of website that you have into an icon in your phone or on your laptop set. So we're going to be making use of a laptop and a Chrome in this video. So we're going to convert this particular website, which is the YouTube official blog. We are going to convert it into an icon on our laptop. So once you have typed in that particular website URL in your browser, once it have loaded on your browser, so what are you going to do? Go to, at the left edge of your laptop. You see a three dotted line. You click on that particular three dotted line. So you allow it, once you click on that particular dotted line, just move down. Once you move down, you're going to see where they wrote more tools. In that more tools, you're going to see different icon again. So once you get to that different icon, a different drop down that have already come out, when once you click on that more tools, you are going to the second drop down which says create shortcut. You are going to click on this particular create shortcut. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you, do you want to open this website as a window browser? You have to click on it. Once you click on it, you click on create. If you click on create, this particular website is going to turn into an icon on your laptop set. Let's check it. Let's go back to our laptop set and check if this particular icon which we have created is already on our laptop set. Let's minimize the browser. The browser is already on our laptop set. So have you seen it that this particular website, which is the YouTube official blog, we have already turned it into an icon on our laptop set. So if we want to go into this particular website, we don't go on our Google Chrome, on any browser we are making use of. We don't go there to start typing the website here, and what do? We just double click on that particular icon. The icon will automatically open on our browser without us typing the website URL. This is how to create an icon on our laptop set. Do wait to always join me in my next video. If you need more of this content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification button to know when I'm posting my new videos. Thank you and see you in my next video.